Hi, welcome to Symbaloo. I'm going to show you how to implement curriculum mapping with Symbaloo. You're going to learn how to work together with your team of teachers to create web mixes for the teachers and web mixes for your students. The web mixes you will create will all be standards-based and will coordinate with your school's curriculum map. Let's get started. First, you'll need your curriculum map. I'm going to start with my math map. Take a look at how your map is divided. Is it in quarters, units, months? Mine happens to be in quarters. Now let's go back to our Symbaloo. Start by creating a new web mix. Now name your web mix accordingly. Mine will be Quarter 1, Unit 1, Teacher, to correlate with my teaching map. We will also go ahead and create a new web mix for our students and name it Quarter 1, Unit 1, Student. We're going to start with a teacher web mix. You'll want to talk with your team of teachers to decide on a layout. We created a section for math, audio, visuals, another section for our flip charts, a section for linking great websites with appropriate teaching strategies, and a section for our teacher-made assessments. Let's take a look at my math map for Quarter 1. One of our standards is determining if a number is odd or even. Let's start with your video resources. Search for a video that you like. When you find one, click Share. Copy the link. Go back to your Quarter 1, Unit 1 teacher mix to create a tile and paste the link to your video. Since you're going to have other teachers adding tiles to the web mix as well, you'll want to keep things organized and easy to find. We're going to make all our video tiles have a gray background, and we'll use the video camera symbol as our tile image. Now save. Next, you'll want to find and create a section for any flip chart tiles. With the flip chart I found, I was lucky enough to have a share button. I can click on Symbaloo. The tile then appears automatically. You just need to drag it and drop. Now we're going to edit. We will make all of our flip charts have the orange background. We're going to choose a sticker. The large screen sticker, and change the name. Now save. You will also need a section for other teaching resources that relate to the standards for this quarter. I happen to find a great lesson on teaching even and odd number patterns. So I will copy the link, now I can create my tile, paste the link, For these types, I will use a blue background. I'm going to choose the pencils, add a title, and save. Your final category will be your teacher-made assessments. Here you can link the worksheets or assessments you've created and save in Google Docs or Dropbox. We're going to use the odd and even assessment. We have this saved in Dropbox, so we're going to copy the link. Okay, we'll create a tile in our last category. Paste our assessment link from Dropbox. This category will go with the pink background, and we will choose the PDF icon. Adjust the title. And save. Each of your team members will be responsible for using your curriculum map to add more standards-based tiles to this web mix. This is such a great way to work smarter and not harder. You are now ready to work on your student web mix. Start by focusing on the math. Search online for free educational games that will help your students learn more about odd and even numbers. Copy links and paste to create tiles. When creating your student tiles, you want to spend a little more time on the appearance of your tiles. Each tile on the student web mix will look different in an effort to make them look each unique and appealing. My team used one side of the student web mix for math tiles and the other side for language arts tiles. Again, all these are based on your curriculum map. You want to ask each team member to contribute and make a specific amount of student tiles that are standards-based activities for each quarter and unit you create. The 5 members on my team each created 5 language arts and 5 math tiles for each of our units. Remember, your students can access these activities at school, home, or on any mobile device. You can't possibly do this all at once. Pace your team and try to stay 1 unit ahead throughout the year. By the end of the year, you'll have a wealth of resources ready to go for the next year. If some of your standards move, you can easily move the tiles from one web mix to another. Just right-click on the tile you'd like to move. Click Copy Move. Make sure you've selected I want to move this tile. Use the drop-down menu. Select where you would like the tile to be moved. Move tile. Curriculum mapping with Symbaloo. Get your team started today.